POV, you're a dumb rich Fortnite map making millionaire who literally just sits on his ass all day and makes millions of dollars making Fortnite maps. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, this game right here called Steal the Brain Rot is making $96,000 every single day, and per week it is making $800,000. And just this month of November and last month alone, they have made a grand total of $6 million total. So today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact process you guys need in order to learn the Fortnite map making industry and dominate and achieve success on your own. This video will be completely raw and unedited. Authenticity sells, guys. You guys know better than I. And of course, guys, everybody who joins the Discord in the link in the description will get their very first brand new pre-made successful map that they could literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month. Join the Discord in the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, so it's come to my calculus of the grand multiverse, Doctor Strange, 14 million possibilities that you guys don't really know about the Fortnite map making space. So today I'm going to walk you guys down exactly what you guys need to know to ensure yourselves confidence to actually get started making games. Because I'm literally a multi-millionaire right now by educating other people to get started making games. Me and Shaquille O'Neal family, we just made a game. If you guys don't believe me, you can literally just go to my Instagram right about here. My Instagram is right here, guys. His son, me and his son named Sharif, we've been talking back and forth, and we have brand new projects coming soon shortly, right? And obviously me and Jinxie, we did our game, and I have another one with a special artist that I'm not going to leak, but it's going to come out next month. It's pretty popular. He has millions of followers, Grammy nominated. He's amazing. Okay, anyways, let me tell you guys exactly how you guys actually start making maps, because back in 2023, the first game that I really made was kind of like with this person named Lane and Skeptic. He was a World Cup pro. I didn't really help them, but they made $40,000, and I didn't even have any games at that point. And at that point, I was like, okay, I'll just do it myself, right? And that is why I made the Skylanders box PvP, which I'll show you guys right now. So obviously, it's dead right now, guys, right? So if we go to Skylanders, right, box PvP, I'll show you guys the game that I made. This is my first ever project, guys. Well, actually, the first one was kind of with Gigglesaurus. So almost 2 years ago, guys, the first ever game that I made already $10,000, right? And the first 8,000 was in the first day, which was at the end of February. So it carried on in March, right? So that's how I got paid there. And then with this money, I kind of just held on to it, invested it. I did have a partner at the time because he was kind of doing the coding, but now I kind of grasped the knowledge of coding as well. And the way that I'm actually making millions of dollars is by talking about the business of making maps and presenting it in front of you guys to where you guys are comfortably and trust me, and you guys want to invest your own income into me to help you guys get started making games, and of course mentor you and coach you, which is why I have the Fort Mafia Inner Circle, where you can do just exactly that. It's in the link in the description as well, where you get connected with 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map creators, master UEFN and verse coding, ready to post map templates, exclusive creator network. As you can see, obviously I've made millions of dollars for everyone who I've inspired to come inside of this space, but now it's time for you guys too as well. I'm done yapping. Let me show you guys exactly how to actually get started making games. The first thing that I need to preface, okay, is that you need to be 18 years old. I know a lot of you guys aren't, because I know I'm converting a lot of young Fortnite kids. I understand that. And honestly, my intentions wasn't really to convert these NBA young boy 15-year-olds. It was kind of to convert the people that are in different industries of business to come along into this business, right? But I came to realize that I'm literally inspiring so many people, bro. Like, there's this 70-year-old German person, and he's inside of the Inner Circle program as well. There's a Japanese, like, there's obviously hundreds of people inside, but like, there's this Japanese person, his name's Yren, and we talk on literally translator. We literally talk on translator. How cool is that? And we get our points across, right? Obviously, it's $997. I understand, okay? And there's literally a full 90-day refund if you don't make blah 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 amount, right, that you desire. So there's no risk at all. But anyways, you guys can click that for more info, whatever. I know I'm just selling myself here. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize, whatever. But I'm literally making millions of dollars for you guys, right? By putting you guys into the business of making maps and inspiring you guys, you know? So I love you guys a lot. And see ya. No, I'm kidding. Okay, let me show you guys exactly. I'm done trolling. Let me show you guys exactly how to get started making games, okay? Okay, so I want you guys to log into the Fortnite Creator Portal. I will search it up one more time for you guys. Here you guys go. Fortnite Creator Portal. Here you guys go. So welcome to the Fortnite Creator Portal. Log in to manage your islands and access your Fortnite Creator Code account. So when you make a game, guys, it's actually linked under your creator code. So, and I'll prove this in just a second, right? So this game here by, is that chess or, I'm blind. Guys, I'm actually blind in one eye. Sorry, guys. God forbid me. Okay, it's chess, not chess. Okay. All right, so let's go here and let's see. So we search up chats here. Did I even spell it right? Holy shit. Oh my god, guys, bear with me. This is embarrassing. I still didn't. Alright, fuck it. I don't care. But anyways, right? Like, what I'm saying is that if you guys want to search me up, you can see Davy. If you want to see Jinxie's game, just search up Jinxie. If you want to see Sharif O'Neal's game, you can just search up Sharif. If you want to see Party Next Door's game that I did with OBO, this was just like a mutual connection thing. Sony reached out to me. They're like, hey, well, they didn't necessarily reach out to me. They reached out to a friend of mine, and my friend was like, okay, I don't really know how to build games. Why am I involved in this? And I just facilitated all the connections. I overboarded the entire process of the vision of this game. So I pretty much made it, in a sense, right? But yeah, all of these ones, I've directly collaborated with these people. You can literally contact them themselves. Some of the titles on the maps are actually fake because they're unattractive titles, guys. Like, if you guys go to, like, some of these maps here, right? Like, this guy's making millions of dollars. I love him. He's killing it. But if I were to put 1v1v1 reload, 1v1 realistics free-for-all, that's too long of a title, and that just looks ugly on a website, right? So try to just download the thumbnails, go to Google AI, Banana, right? Gemini 3, and just grab the images, and it will take you to where you need to go. But yeah, that's some confusion that some few folks will have. But anyways, okay, let's close out of everything, and let's show you guys how to get started building games, okay? Okay, so what I want you guys to do, now that you have logged into the Fortnite Creator Portal, I want you guys to search up the Epic Games Launcher, okay? And the reason on why some of the content is more beginner-friendly compared to the more advanced stuff is because new people that are coming into the space, how the hell are they going to know something if they don't know how to do something? If there's no financial incentive that saves themselves time in the future by making income? Which is why most of the content is geared towards how to make money instead of how to do something, because people don't know how to do something if they don't know how to do it in the first place. So what I'm doing is I'm leveraging, obviously, people's pain of obviously not having the craziest amount of wealth, or maybe they do, and they're coming into the space trying to make income for themselves. There's single stepmothers. There's people that have multiple kids that text me that are trying to learn inside of the space. Some of them join the inner circle, some of them don't. But it's all dependent on what you guys are trying to achieve, of course, right? Because obviously you guys know that I'm kind of a authentic person, you know, like, because when I say I'm making millions of dollars, I'm literally saying in a sense that I already have. Because I've inspired, there's only 60,000 people building games. I've inspired 30% of those people. Obviously, we know that for a fact because I'm the only person on the entire planet making content about the money being made making games. So if you put that in a sense, and Fortnite has given out $986 million to the top people inside of the space. If I've inspired 50% of that, I made $40 million. Obviously not, I'd say. Max capacity of revenue that I've inspired is $5.2 million, right? And in terms of gross profit, I profited, honestly, I've done pretty well. Say it! I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it! But yeah, anyways, okay, guys, look. I don't know if you guys referenced that meme. He what? But anyways, guys, go to the Epic Games store here, okay? And search up the Epic Games Launcher. It's obviously already completely free. Why is there hair in my mouth? I'm sorry. But I want you guys to go to the Epic Games Launcher. And we're going to go here, all right? So I know a lot of you guys go play. A lot of you guys are like this. Like, you're literally like this, okay? Show me your own maps, right? Just go search up Davy, okay? All of the games are dead because I quit that account. I do the celebrity games now with Shaquille O'Neal, with Jinxie, with Floyd Mayweather's son, right? There's honestly many collaborations in the works that I can't really mention right now, but you guys will literally see them. The first one in December, it's almost already done. But we're almost done it. But yeah, you guys will see it. Also, just go to my Instagram, follow me there, send me a text message, and I'll always talk back to you guys and help you guys. Obviously, I'm talking to you guys because I want to make money off of you guys to provide value to help you. That just like that's just how business works, right? You have to be providing value in exchange for their money that saves them time or provides knowledge for them. So right now, you guys are probably like, what the fuck is this knowledge that I'm getting, right? Well, I'm tapping you into the business. You're connected to me. You give a fuck about me. And that means that you believe in yourself to a certain extent. Because I'm doing this all by myself. And I've literally been in the exact same position that you guys have as well. Where you don't know what the fuck to do with your life as you graduate. You played Fortnite for all these years, and now you can make millions of dollars changing your childhood fantasies and build games in Fortnite. Because everybody used to play Fortnite, and now it's time to build games for Fortnite and make millions of dollars doing so. I already know you guys are going to hate on this video in the comments, but for the odd few that are still here, actually all of you are still here, who am I kidding? But I want to say, I love you guys, okay? The next video is going to be an in-depth tutorial on how to actually publish your first ever Fortnite map, okay? It's been your boy, Davy Davis. Join the Discord, of course, guys, to get the free pre-made successful games. And I'll be on there soon, guys. The few next videos are all going to be like collaborative videos where I'm on the phone with this celebrity artist, etc. And it's going to be pretty fun. So I love you guys, man. I'm the only one in the whole world doing this. I have a $1 billion software company, Versify, that automates the whole process of building games. That'll be out in 2026. And God's plan, boys. You guys can seriously do whatever you want. I love you guys. Peace.